my beauties, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. As the title reads, today I have for you my January, February, March and April monthly favorites. Now I haven't done any such video in the past, so let me know in the comment section below if you like this video and if you'd like to see more of these videos. So firstly, I want to clarify that there was nothing to shop in the month of April and only half a month of March. So most of the products that I have here, I bought until the 15th of March. And out of all those products, I've picked up my most favorite skincare products. And without further ado, let's dive right into this video. Now the products that I have for you are in no particular order of preference, but I will try and combine them in the order of usage. So the first product that I have is face washes, and the face washes that stood out for me until now, until April in the past 4 months are first, you've seen me use this a number of times. It's the Plum Green Tea Pore Cleansing Face Wash. I love this. It has very small exfoliating beads in this. Very good for oily combination and the acne prone skin people. I really like this personally. I have finished this tube and I do plan to repurchase it. It's a very mild gel formulation and I've done a full review on Plum products. If you missed that video, I'm going to link it right above here. The next face wash that I really like is from Pond's. It's the Anti-Pollution Face Wash. This has activated charcoal in it. I personally feel that this is a product that all skin types can use because it is not drying on the skin in any way. It's a very creamy formulation and it gets rid of all dirt and grime from your face. So a very good face wash to have. The third face wash is something that has really made a soft corner in my heart. I've really started to like this product because it's so gentle on the skin. Again, a product that any skin type can use. This is the Forest Essentials Kashmiri Saffron and Neem Face Wash. This is such a gentle cleanser. If you have sensitive skin in specific, then you should really try this one out. This is suitable for every skin type in my opinion, but if you are sensitive skin, you do definitely want to go ahead and see and check if this actually works for you because it's very mild on the skin. It will not lather too much, but you will see that it cleanses your face quite well. The next three things that I have here are toners and mists, and I personally feel that toners and face mists are really important for your skin. They maintain the pH of your skin, and mists specifically in summers really hydrate your skin very well. The first one that I have here, and I have been testing this out for a couple of days now, is the Claire Supple Preparation Facial Toner. This is such an amazing product, you guys. This is so hydrating. It's not a runny toner, it's not a watery toner, it's a thick toner. It's not too thick, but something that you can take in your palms and rub in together and just pat it in your skin. So all my dry skin beauties, a shout out to you because you definitely want to give this a go. This is a very hydrating toner, but the reason why I like the toner mostly is because of its consistency and the fact that it hydrates your skin immediately the moment you have washed off your face. The next product that I have here, no surprises, I've spoken about this a number of times in a couple of my videos. I even showed it to you in my skincare routine, is the Pure Rose Water from Deve Herbs. I personally really like this product simply because it is so pure. There are no other ingredients except rose water in here. Now this is a bit pricey, let me be very honest. This has 100 ml of product for 499 rupees. But I feel that if you are spending your money, then might as well make it worth every single penny by using a product that actually works. It really hydrates my skin, and specifically for sensitive skin people, this is really good. If you have acne prone skin, you do want to check this one out. My next product is also a face mist and a toner. Again, something I really like. You can use this on top of your makeup. I've spoken about this as well. It is the Good Vibes Pomegranate Glow Toner. Very good product from Good Vibes. This is very refreshing on the face. I personally really like it. I mean, the mist in here, I don't know what they put in here or with the mist, but I've used a lot of mist bottles. But this one right here, I'm trying to show you. Just see the fineness of that mist. It gives that flush of hydration on your skin. I mean, it is so beautiful. I really want to actually go ahead and spritz it on my face right now because I've been shooting since morning. So give me a moment here. Oh my god, that is so much hydration. It just makes you feel like so refreshed the moment you spritz it. And do you see, I just made a very fine spritz on my face, and the amount of glow this gives. It really makes you feel very refreshed. Love this product. The next product that I have are serums, basically, and facial oils. Again, these are the products that I have spoken about, but they stood out for me so much since the month of January and I've been using them so much. The first one, again, no surprises. I have talked about it so very much on my channel. This is the Klairs Vitamin C drops. I have run out of this product. I have practically nothing left. I have to reorder this. What a gorgeous serum, you guys. This has really changed my skin. Personally, my skin really loves this serum. I just get that beautiful glow. It even works on my acne scars and the small bumps I get on my face. Overall, a great serum to have. I definitely am going to repurchase. A lot of you have asked me a replacement of this because something that's a lot more affordable. I would say that a vitamin C I haven't found that is close to Klairs, let me be very honest. And this is actually not very expensive. I understand this is a 1500 rupee product, but you do get 35 ml here. If you compare other serums in the same range, you don't get that much amount of product here. So for the price you are paying, you are still getting a lot of product. I personally feel there is nothing I found that comes close to this. I hope there is something out there that's a lot more affordable that I can suggest for you guys, but so far nothing that compares to Klairs. The next serum that I have is actually a facial oil, and I highly recommend if you're looking for something affordable, might as well go for this. This is the vitamin E oil from Deve Herbs. Again, something I have included in my skincare recently, but absolutely loving it. Actually, not recently. I've been using this for about 2.5 months. However, before this, I used to use the green capsules of vitamin E. So if you don't find this, you can use the green capsules also, but I particularly love this. And vitamin E, guys, is anti-aging. It works on your fine lines. It helps your prematuring skin. It works on acne scars, and it just takes care of any pigmentation on your face, any discoloration. It's a wonderful product to use. So if you can't find this, you can just go in with any vitamin E of your choice, but I highly recommend including a vitamin E oil in your skincare. For anyone who has a congested skin or acne prone skin, please stay away from any kind of oils. And even if you want to use, if you're oily skin type in specific, then you should go in mixing 1 drop in your moisturizer because you don't want to congest your skin. The next serum that I have, and that stood out for me so much in the past couple of months, actually been using it for the past 1.5 months and loving it, is the White Seed Serum from the Face Shop. This is a bomb of a product. It's really nice, hydrating. It doesn't do any kind of treatment for your skin, like it doesn't do any brightening or it doesn't do any treatment of your pigmentation or any acne scars, but it is so hydrating. If you're looking for a serum that's hydrating for your skin, I use this at night in conjunction to another Face Shop product, a moisturizer, and it really works for my skin. I have this very dewy kind of a finish to my skin. I get that very beautiful glow. So for me, this is really working very well because I think it's keeping my skin very hydrated at night, and I don't feel, even when I wake up in the morning, that my skin is dehydrated. So all night long my skin is hydrated, and that's what I want because I sleep like a greasy turkey. The next thing that I put on top of this serum, which is adding to the glow and the hydration, is a moisturizer. Now my next 2 things are actually 2 moisturizers. The first one is from Face Shop, the one that I use on top of the Face Shop serum. It's the Chia Seed No Intense Hydration Cream. I've showed this product to you guys earlier as well. I use this a lot under my makeup. Personally, I feel that this has the perfect consistency of a moisturizer. It's neither a gel, it's nor a cream, and this is going to suit a lot of skin types. Now I got this bottle in an offer and look how much I've used. I actually want to go ahead and purchase the 50-gram product because it's really worth the price. It really hydrates your skin and it locks in the moisture in your skin. So if you use this at night, you're going to wake up with a glowing skin in the morning because it locks all the hydration. So I think these 2 things together are working really well, both from Face Shop. The next moisturizer that I have, no surprises here. This is my second tub and I love it. It's the Pond's Super Light Gel. This works really well for my skin. I have combination skin and I feel it works really well for oily skin as well. If you have sensitive skin, this is going to be perfect for you. Even if you're dry skin, you have to go in with a little bit of extra. My husband has dry skin, very dry skin. He also uses this product, but he has to reapply it after 3 or 4 hours. So if you're dry skin, you can use this, but you have to be generous with the amount and the frequency. However, oily combination skin would really like this. If you are dry skin looking for a moisturizer, highly recommend the Chia Seed one. This is such a versatile product. Oily skin people may not like this, but I highly recommend this for dry skin people. You're gonna love this one. The next product that I have for you are 2 face masks. Now I have done a detailed review of moisturizers and face masks also. I'm gonna link both the videos here. The first face mask that I have, which stood out for me so very much, is the Dot & Key Green Clay Mask. Now I have spoken at length about this one. It is such a beautiful product. I actually want to open the bottle and show you the inside right here. I used it this morning as well, and I've used it about 4 times now, and look how much I still have left. This is such an amazing product, you guys. Even after you washed off the face mask, you will still feel the cooling sensation on your skin. And I was getting an acne here, and after 2 uses I feel that it has subsided a little bit. Now this is quite a big acne that I'm getting here. This is such a cooling mask. It is beautiful for the skin, and I think it really kind of refreshes my skin and also works on the small bumps that I have on my face, because with me the problem areas on my skin are open pores right here, and then I have a lot of blackheads and whiteheads on my nose, more whiteheads actually. So I tend to gravitate more towards charcoal mask because that works really well on pores and on blackheads and whiteheads. But this too is working, I think, because of the tamanu oil that is present in here, and it also really hydrates your skin after you've removed it. The way I like to do it is I like to massage it with a little bit of water to get rid of the mask first, and then kind of wash off with lukewarm water. The next mask that I've spoken about, again, this is my 3rd or the 4th tub, I don't even remember, but I love so much. And if you have open pores, if you have blackheads, if you have whiteheads, you do really want to give this one a go. It's the L'Oreal Pure Clay Mask Detoxify. Again, such a wonderful product from L'Oreal. This is really, really nice. And you know, I really like this product mainly because of the consistency. I want to show this to you. I have actually shown in my masks video, but I do want to open this and show it to you. It's neither too thick nor too thin. The consistency is so very perfect, and it dries out to be, when it dries out actually, you will see that it sets in your pores. So it kind of unclogs and just pulls out any kind of dirt or gunk that is lying in your pores, any kind of leftover grime that's there in your pores. Even blackheads works beautifully on blackheads, but you have to use this at least twice a week to see results. Now for me, for my skin, it really works. Now this product really works for me, for my skin, but a lot of people have told me it hasn't worked on their blackheads and whiteheads. This product is also very good if you're looking for an overall even tone skin. I think it really gives a very clear skin. It also kind of exfoliates the skin very gently. So overall, I feel it's a great mask to have, and from the drugstore, super affordable as well. The next thing that I have here is a very good facial cleanser, which is a cleansing balm basically. So this is actually a product which I did use back in the days, and I have no idea why I stopped using. Maybe because many other products came through and I wanted to try different products. But I have repurchased this. Literally, I was using it about a year ago. I stopped using it and then I bought it after a year again. It's the Clinique Take the Day Off Balm. I bought this product 2 months ago, and oh my goodness, I don't know why I stopped buying this, because this takes care of specifically a waterproof mascara so beautifully. It's going to get rid of all your makeup, and even if you're someone who does not wear makeup, you can use this to just cleanse your face and get rid of all the sunscreen or any kind of anything else that you're wearing on your skin. Now this product is a little bit on the higher end of things. It's about 30 ml of product for about 900 rupees, but honestly I feel it's worth every single penny simply because the way it works. I have 3 more products to go very quickly. The next product that I have is a lip balm, something that I've repurchased I think thrice, is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask Berry. This is, what a beautiful product, you guys. This is such an amazing one, and I'm going to show you that I've emptied this one out also. Now I have a problem of chapped lips. Basically my lips get really dry, whether it's summer or winters, and I have to keep them hydrated all day long. So I have a lip balm next to my couch, next to my working table, next to my bed, in my bag, in my car, everywhere. So this one in particular has really stood out for me because I reach out for this very often, and the Burt's Bees. Unfortunately, Burt's Bees is not available in India, so I'm not including it in this video. But if you are looking for a good lip balm, highly recommend the Laneige one. The next thing that I really like is the Biotique Bio Seaweed Revitalizing Eye Gel. Now this is a very simple product. This is very affordable. It's a good eye gel. It does not do anything other than hydrating your skin. And the thing is, it does not even claim that it is a dark circle cream or anything. It's an anti-fatigue gel. I really feel it hydrates my under eye area so well. And the best thing I like about this product is it works beautifully under makeup. It does not let my concealer crease. I put powder also on top, and my concealer looks absolutely perfect all day long. It's a very good product for just hydration. I am still, after so many years of searching, looking for something that works for my dark circles. I do have something that I've been trying, and I think it's working a little bit, but I'm going to tell you that in another video. The last product that I have for you, I've showed this to you in my nail paints and how to take care of your hands video. It is the Nivea hand cream, glycerine and aloe vera. This is such an amazing product, particularly like the fragrance of this. So beautiful, hydrates your hands well and does the job really well. I personally really like this one, and I'm going to repurchase simply because of the fragrance, and it does the job very well. So guys, with that, it's a wrap. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram account, and if you like such monthly favorites videos, then let me know in the comment section below and I'd be more than happy to film them for you guys. And until I see you next, guys, thanks so much for watching. Take care of yourselves. Love you all. Bye bye.